Hello to my lovies. Today this video is about a rant. I don't know why people decided to make such ugly underwear. Like no one wants to make cotton underwear anymore. It's only thong in the worst color possible. Not every girls want to wear thong. Some of us need some nice bikini cotton underwear, because not every shape is for everybody. The colors mostly are ugly. It's mostly thong and barely any cotton underwear. Not all of us want that. So people that make underwear, please make some cute ones that barely lace. All they have is the jersey fabric or a lot of writing on them. Nobody wants to wear this. This is not cute. This is not sexy. You see? Or some of them are just granny or just pure tongue. This one is not so bad. So you could do something with this. But it's granny. You could wear that in your period. But not to be sexy. After that, look at this one. Idiots. Too many colors and writing. Nobody wants to wear these. That's why you go to the store, there's a lot of them in there, because no one wants to wear such ugly undergarments. Look at them ones. Polka dot. All kinds of ugly underwear that no one wants to wear. Look at this one. And jersey. So if you're a person who sweats, all you get is wet underwear, and that is so uncomfortable too. And people that barely wash themselves. So imagine them wearing those jersey type of underwear and that sweats. Oh, the muss. Ugh. But y'all gotta do better. Some of us want nice cotton underwear, but this one is barely their underwear. This is one you can wear, but for you don't have to sweat so much to wear those. And then they have one with the thick band. This one is okay. It's a little cute little bikini with the lace in the front and the V in the back. That's kind of cute. That I will take. But the others, there's a big no. You see? I just grabbed this one because it's cute. And then I got a set of cotton one. Then I keep looking. There are still ugly underwears. The thickest fabric, the idiots. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all need to do better. Because a lot of women, I don't know if everybody wants to wear those kind of flowery underwear, because we're not kids anymore. If you're a grown woman, you need sexy underwear to feel good in. Not some ugly fabric, jersey fabric, and then the one that gives you the most wedgie. Oh, at least this one has some lace in the back, so that's some kind of better. After that, the rest are just a no. And they don't have cute colors. Look at this. It's tongue with a panda in the front, and this one with Snoopy. But you make it for like grown people? No, maybe teenagers wanna wear these, but not a grown woman in the sexy era. That's the one with the thick band on the waist. No one wants this. So designers, do better. We don't want to wear ugly underwear. Get the cute ones so we can wear it, please and thank you. Okay? And then when you do get the good one, I'm here to try. Look at this. Like a 12-year-old. Not even a 12-year-old. That's a 6-year-old underwears. But then the grown woman section. Who wants to wear that? Who wants to wear that? This is ugly. And mostly tongues. And not everybody want to wear G24/7. They need nice cotton. Like this one is a good one. They're cute. And they're cotton too. With the little list trim. So that's cute. After that, the rest, they are all a no. Look at this. Tongue. It's like that's what they're making now. Is it costing too much to make some good underwear from some people? Some of us will pay good money for. Look at this. Like a boy short. Like men stuff. Nobody wants to wear this. That's why most of them are in the store. This is an ugly one. So look at these.